So this video is going to show you step by step on how to activate your Khan Academy classes. Okay, so on Google Classroom, your math teacher should have posted a seventh grade math remote learning Google document. So if you notice, there are 6 different Khan Academy codes, part A through F. And if your code doesn't match mine, that's okay. Each teacher has their own different set of codes. So the first thing is click on the hyperlink. This is going to take you to khanacademy.org/join. So it's going to look like this, just to this website. And what I would want you to do is I want you to copy and paste each code. So I'm going to copy and paste each code just like this and paste it here. Now add. Now, this is a good learning experience because even though I copied and pasted the correct code, if you notice, there's a little space after the C. So you got to make sure there are no spaces after the C and no spaces in the front. And then click add. It's successful. So these codes are very case sensitive, especially if you put a space in the front or after. So be careful there. So just in case it's not accepting the code, you might have a space in the front or after it. And I'm going to paste there. So you just keep copying and pasting all your codes. So eventually you should get here. Okay. So now this is where it's going to be a little different for some of you. If last week you created a SDUHSD account, if you created a Khan Academy account last week for your optional learning activities, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on log into your existing account. Now, and then from there, you're just going to log into your SDUHSD account and you're done. Now, only applies for the people that created an account last week with an SDUHSD account with your Gmail, not your personal Gmail, the school Gmail. Okay. For the majority of you, this is your first time logging into Khan Academy, so you're going to create a new account. So you're going to put in your birthday. So we're going to put in our birthday here. And then we're going to click continue with Google. Okay, so make sure you click continue with Google. Now, if you notice, it's going to pop up what account I'm going to want. Make sure it's your SDUHSD account. So if you don't see your SDUHSD account pop up, you might want to click on use another account. So make sure we're on the same page in terms of that, okay? So I'm going to click on this account here, and I'm going to type in my password. And then once you click enter, it's going to take you here. Now, you ask yourself, okay, where do I find my classes? Where do I get started? So here's the thing. After you've done all of that, you have to wait for your teacher to approve you. Okay, so listen carefully. You're not going to see anything until your teacher approves you, approves your account. So, no need to click on courses or my stuff. You're not going to find anything that you need here. Okay, so just ignore this. After your teacher has approved you, right above this my stuff, where this says my stuff, you're going to see part A and then assignments, part B and assignments, part C assignments. So you're going to see all the levels. So you're just going to have to wait just a little bit before you get started. Okay. So if you log in the morning, I'm pretty sure your math teachers will be busy approving a lot of students. So after your math teacher has approved you, you can then go to the specific section you want to, most likely part A, click on the assignments underneath, and then you can get started. Another thing, notice here, sometimes the name might come out a little weird. So what I want you to do is click here, pick a username. What I want you to do is, for your real name, put in your first and last name. This is going to help your math teacher kind of check your progress, organize the information. So please do that. Put in your first and last name. No nicknames, no usernames, just first and last name. Click save. And then from there, you should be done. Now, there might be a very, very, very few of you that have already logged into Khan Academy from the beginning, and you will instantly go to this page. So there's a small percentage of you that when you clicked on this link right here, it automatically took you here to this page. And that's because it's definitely because you already created a Khan Academy account. And the main reason is because you were already logged into your Khan Academy account. So what you would need to do then is basically take the code, copy and paste it. So I take this code right here, and then I would paste it in here and then click on join the class. So you would have to do that repeatedly, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so remember, after you've signed up for the class, put in your codes, created your account using your school account, SDUHSD, you're going to have to wait just a little bit for your math teacher to approve um, your account. Okay, hopefully that helped. And if you have any questions, please email your respective math teacher.